There you go. Yep. Except the bee, yeah, that's true. Yeah. Oh, okay. What's her name? Ashton? Ash. My coworker, her name is Ashton. Here you go, Jade, your towel. Jilana, don't. They're gonna leave and then you're by yourself. Don't do that, Jilana. Don't. Oh, no. I'm gonna get wet. I don't wanna get wet. Jilana, don't. The water is too cold. Okay, come on now. We'll be done. Jilana, you're gonna be done then. Okay, rest now. Jilana, you want your toy? Oh yeah, can you draw Jilana monkey and tell her, Jilana, yeah, you can draw her a monkey. Oh really? Oh, it says watch children at all times. So what is the purpose of this thingy then? No, those tubes. Oh, the chlorine on. Okay. Mm. Well, wait until it's really hot, then you will like it. It's not real hot yet, remember? It's just so nice. You're like in the imagine you're in the ocean in the Philippines. Super hot. This one touch that one so you can move. There you go. See. Ilana, you can stand. Ilana, you wanna stand? See? Really? Hello, geologs. Yeah, you can.